Alright, so here we are fixing a toilet flange. The old one was broke, kind of rusted out. I pulled all that. And we're now going to install a new one. So, got the new ring. One other thing to notice here is that the tile is way below, well, the original ring is way below the surface of the tile because they put the tile in later, so we're gonna have to do a, kind of raise it up. But first, all right, so we got the toilet ready to go. Built the flange all over again, and I got it raised up with a spacer so that way it comes up to right above the floor like it needs to, and then I use an extra thick wax seal to just get it in there. Everything is pretty much ready to go here. Everything's locked into place. We're ready to put it on. Alright, so we got the toilet locked down, everything good that way. Then discovered when I flushed it, it was leaking from here, and look at this. It is super beat up, all cracked. Yeah, it's worn out. So we're getting rid of that. We're already taking it off there. So let's go ahead and get the new one. We'll re-bolt it down. And that's how the new one should look in comparison, as you can see. So here we go. And it just pops right on there like that. That's how it should be. Snug on there. Yeah, like that. That's a good seal. That's going to seal nicely. Alright, so another thing they didn't do was they didn't bolt the bolts in there right, so we're going to fix that problem as well. We're going to lock it down to the tank itself the way it should be. So let's first get the seal on there. Like that. We're going to lock this first before we even put it on the toilet. We're going to lock it down on the tank because we got to lock the seal first. Alright, then from the back we go ahead and put these on. Just do them by hand first. Alright. Make sure it goes on there smooth. Alright. Now let's put the washer on. It gives it helps compress it good without breaking the porcelain. Evenly distributed pressure like that. Okay, this is the step that we avoided last time, but we're going to fix this issue. Let me see what I got to find the right ratchet for this. That's the one. Alright. This is the most important part of it, is that this is secure. Alright, just gotta hold that now. Get a nice compression, not too crazy. Don't want to break nothing. Enough with it. It's nice and snug. There we go. Alright, so that's it. That's all repaired properly. Alright, and see it's locked in there. Alright, now the next step. Get it up on there again. Ah. Okay. Alright, now we hit the bottom of it. So we're going to lock it to the toilet itself. Again, hand tighten first. Let's get the other one so we kind of even out the pressure. Get it pretty much evened up there. Alright. Now it won't be so long I can use my ratchet, but let's do it by hand first, evenly. That's pretty solid. Won't even really have to use the ratchet. It's really solid already. You can actually do it by hand. It's really solid now. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Yep, that's tight. One little bit. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that toilet is real rock solid. Make sure I tighten those one more time. Alright, we're ready to test it again. Let's hook this back up. Alright, here we go with the water again. This time I don't see any problems so far. real solid now. You should have no problems now. Once I get this flush, it should be perfect with no leaks whatsoever. Just dry this water up a little bit from where it dripped before. That way there's no confusion. Okay. Looks good. You ready? Good flush. Okay, no more leaks now. Alright, solid flush. That solved that problem. And I'll do it if I want to flush again. Make sure. I see absolutely no water down here at all. I'm gonna get a new rag to prove that. This is brand new. Be the litmus test. Okay, so that will tighten. All right, here we go again. Flush. Perfect. Okay. Dry. Look at that, dry. Perfectly dry now. Everything's going down like it should. Ooh, we got a supply line leaking though. It's always something, ain't it? Let's see if I can put that in a position where it doesn't leak. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. See if I can put it all the way out, if it'll stop. Sometimes if you lock it all the way out, it will stop leaking, but if it's halfway, then it wants to leak. That compresses it more when you open it all the way. Okay, I think that solved it right there. Yeah, it's dry. All right.